This is an iPhone 15 Pro Max with iOS 18 system, and you can see that it has been repaired but it's still showing the old battery healthy. And then we use the JTX special battery cable to go past the digital model without flashing the phone. We install the cable and then connect the new battery, which is other original Apple battery, and then we connect the USB cable to let it come out. After the charging logo is come out, and then we restart the phone. After we restart the phone, you can see that it has been showing 100% battery healthy, and then we go to the diagnostics mode to battery. We're going into the diagnose mode with another original Apple battery. And remember, for the diagnose mode, your iOS need to be latest system. After we finish the diagnose mode, we remove the battery and let the cable connect to the new battery with all flags. And do this step, when the charging logo is showing, we restart the phone and then let the phone go into the diagnose mode again. After it finishes the second diagnosis mode with the new battery, you can remove it. And this JTX special battery cable is reusable.